Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own brewed coffee at home. I have perfected this coffee recipe from the beginning of the lockdown. My aunt and cousin told me that this is far more better than the ones that you can buy from the coffee shop and even better than Starbucks. And this is a good alternative, especially if you're like me, a big coffee lover. It will save you a lot of money if you can make it at home. So without further ado, I will start with the ingredients.
Now we will start with pouring the water into the reservoir.
Now is the time to grind our coffee beans. Okay, let's pick that up. You don't want to waste the coffee beans. We blend it nicely to have this freshly ground coffee beans. Voila, it's ready! Now is the time to transfer the freshly grounded coffee beans into the portafilter. Put it on top of the water reservoir. Seal it nicely, nice and tight. The Moka pot, also known as a stovetop espresso maker, uses basic physics to achieve a perfectly brewed cup of coffee. This increases the pressure in the bottom chamber and pushes the water up through the coffee granules and into the top chamber where it is ready to be poured. Now is the time to manually pump our warm milk to make a rich froth. Now is the time to pour the freshly brewed coffee and the milk froth. Add more milk froth. So to top it off, we will have to add the cinnamon powder, cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of sugar. So this is the finished product of my homemade coffee, better than Starbucks. So let's give it a taste. Let's put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir. Ooh, there's a lot of froth now, it's overflowing. Let's see how good it is. Of course, I'm gonna pair it up with chocolate cookies. Very good. You guys need to try this. This is very good.